Hi everyone! Welcome to Max's first lawn care video and, believe it or not, his first ever job in the lawn care business. Although this is technically a job, Max decided to trim this lawn for free for a family in need. Let's see how it goes. Looking at the lawn, it doesn't seem too overgrown. Clearly, this family takes care of it regularly, so today's task is more of a light and enjoyable activity. Max starts by prepping his tools and firing up the mower. The buzzing sound of the lawnmower has the weeds trembling. First, he trims the edges along the concrete path, where some grass has grown over the pavement, making the border hard to see. After the edges are cleaned up, the straight, even lines of the trimmed grass create such a satisfying, polished look. pride in his attention to detail, ensuring even the gaps between the pavement stones are cleared. And here's the final result. Although the lawn isn't huge, it still took over an hour to complete. But look at how neat it is now. So satisfying, right? What do you think of Max's first lawn care job? If you enjoyed watching, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more updates on Max's lawn care journey. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.